What's going on, everybody? Ryan Melnick back here with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about dropshipping perfection. We're going to go through it real quick. I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can go through the entirety of my new 40+ hour program. To all of you, 77 people so far over the last 2 days that want to join the new program, Dropshipping Perfection. Okay, so I went over this a little bit in the last video, but I want to go a little bit more in depth. I just posted a video, I was editing it and all that stuff, and I'm going to pin it to the top, so it's right there obviously right now, but what it is just says welcome. It's a video of me explaining a little bit more about, learning the whys of this business, stuff like that, and then I go through, you can see, yeah, you guys, I'm looking to plan a trip up there. It's really not the point, but I just noticed that. But yeah, so I talk through the entirety of this video here. I talk through the whys of this business, understanding the whys. I talk about checking out my YouTube channel. I have a bunch of different links for affiliate stuff, or just things I talk about through the entirety of the program. Like I said, here's some of the links that here's the links to some of the links that we'll reference throughout the entire program. That doesn't really make sense, but you get the point. So make sure, I'm about to go in and accept you guys all in. When you go into the program, make sure the first thing you watch is this video right here. Remember that this entire program was initially my mentorship program. Okay, so it started out, you can see here, Unit 1, in these videos, there are other people in here. Like there's, it's a big like, group FaceTime kind of screen share call. I may not be able to pull it up, but. So that's the welcome video. We've got this one. You can see like on the side here, there's people learning in these videos, right? So then when you go into like Unit 2, I stopped doing that a little bit. And then when you get to Unit 10, 9, 10, towards the end, 11 being the last one, just kind of some bonus stuff in there. You're going to see that I started to move away from that and just move into the full teaching side of things. So guys, when you want to learn what you want to learn, go into units and go through lessons, Unit 1 through Unit 11, and do it video 1, video 2, video 3, all the way through. Like Unit 1 has 12 videos, okay, it's probably about like 10 hours. Unit 2 has 2 videos. Unit 3 has 10 videos, that's probably about 9, 10 hours. Unit 4 has 11 videos, that's Facebook Marketing 201, so that's gonna be about 10 to 12 hours of video there. So guys, it stacks up, but it's really important that you learn all of this so you know as much as you possibly can about this business. Then if you have any questions, feel free to go into the discussion side of things and post something up for some of the other members to see if they could potentially answer, or me to answer as well. So I'm going to jump in here and see, we got some requests. I probably got to go back to the main page here. I'm going to go through right now. I'm not going to do this in the video, but I'm going to go through right now and accept all you guys in, you 70 whatever people that wanted into the program. So I'm going to go do that right now. And guys, just want to do a little bit of a summary video to show you exactly how you can go through this program and how you can make it work for you. Remember, the way that this program is set up is for you to watch the entirety of the program and then to go back and make your store. That's the way it's intended to be set up. If you already know a little bit about the business, or you just want to go about it while doing your store, that's fine as well, but that wasn't the initial intention. It's to learn the whys of this business and then go and execute on the hows after you know the whys. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you haven't got my program yet, make sure you click the link below here. Do all the things I tell you to do. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn notification bells on, and then click the link below this video, get access to the Facebook group where we got Dropshipping Perfection, the best program in the industry. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Appreciate all of you coming in, my loyal people, and I'll see you guys in the next video.